Today we're going to take a look at some ways that we have to clean some of your decking.
Hi, this is Chris with Decks and Docks Lumber. I'm here with Billy. We did a couple of tests today on some deck boards, on some composite deck boards. We did some coffee, ketchup, and wine, and they all held up pretty good, I think.
Yeah, we used three different ones to see. One is a cap composite, another one is a full PVC, and another one's a high density polyethylene plastic. We did the test on all three just to see how the different ones would work. It looked like all the stains came out, even with the red wine. A lot of times we see stains, and if they're a little bit tougher to get out, I mean, we just use soap and water. But if they are tougher stains to get out, a lot of times you want to try products like Simple Green, X14 works great, and Mold Armor X remover. I would only suggest using any of these products, since they do have chemicals, to not let them sit for too long on there. Because they can affect the color if they've been on there for too long. But for the most part, I feel like once you do it and you know the stain is there, I mean, pretty much a sponge and soap and water seem to work pretty good.
Yeah, a little elbow grease sometimes might get it done if it's a little thicker stain on there, but they all held up really well. So this is us signing out from Cape Coral and Decks and Docks. Thanks for joining us today.
If you got any questions, give us a shout at your local location.